Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup for baby. Start by choosing fresh vegetables and a gentle protein like chicken or lentils, and wash everything thoroughly. Sauté vegetables briefly to deepen flavor, then add low-sodium stock and simmer until tender. Puree or mash to appropriate texture for your baby, testing temperature before serving. Introduce one ingredient at a time to watch for allergies. Gather simple, fresh ingredients and keep flavors mild for sensitive baby palates. Chop vegetables into even pieces so they cook at the same rate and discard any bruised parts. Cook proteins until fully done and easy to mash, then drain excess fat. Combine cooked vegetables and protein with low-sodium stock, simmer gently, and avoid adding salt or strong spices. Cool and test texture before serving to your baby. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more baby food tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker adds music, timers, and a helpful voice assistant while you prep and cook, making multitasking easier and more fun. It fits on the counter and responds hands-free to set timers or play lullabies. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on texture and safety as you cook for your baby, adjusting consistency for their eating stage. Simmer vegetables and proteins until very soft, then blend with reserved stock to reach a smooth, creamy texture or leave slightly chunky for older infants. Avoid heavy seasoning and cool the soup to a lukewarm temperature before feeding. Store leftovers in small portions and reheat gently, stirring to eliminate any hot spots before serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.